Welcome to all. Today is question number 38. I wrote here for some reason. I want the full board now. In last class, one first question I solved was 36. One exercise I given with direct answer. By mistake, I wrote once again 36. Make it 37. You can see there. This is 38. See. First of all, remember, very important question for thoroughly understanding method of sections. Compared to earlier questions, this also very important. See, initially when I solve the question, you can see there, I am doing too much of loads. But exercises, I will give less number of loads. Okay, now, understanding point of view, thoroughly understand now. See, question, find axial forces in members, see here, DC, see, suppose ABCD is not visible here, it is visible here later. See, here I don't have space must. See, I'll take care. DC, DG and FG. One question. Second question. EB, BE or EB, EH and HG. These are the two questions by method of section. Write a note here. Treat each question as independent. Common part is okay, independent. Okay. Now, first of all, whether method of joint or method of sections, you have to find support reactions if it is required. Yes, required. One hinge, one roller. Why means I can't answer now, too late. How many classes? Question number 38. From beginning up to now, how many times I told, or when reactions are not required, I told. Even method of sections also, when reactions not required, I will tell at that time. Okay, now, first right here. See, somewhere here. Space problem, okay. Calculation of support reactions. Support reactions. Reactions, okay. For that one, I will dictate something, you write. There's a limit once again. A is hinged support, therefore at A, vertical reaction and horizontal reaction. Up and right I'll assume. B is a roller support, now it is horizontal plane, perpendicular plane. So at B, vertical reaction VB. If this is not clear, you are wasting time coming to my class. Okay. Put the neat sketch of the truss. See, it's bigger I wrote. I named the point very clearly because this is the reference for method of sections. Remember, this is the reference for method of sections. Now, before finding support reaction, tell what all you require. See here, 2 into 4 equal to 8. This is not your mathematics, second standard mathematics or first standard mathematics. 2 ones 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, not that way. 2 meter into 4 means 2 meters, total 8 meters. Okay. This height is 3 meters. See, this height 3 meters. Now, make a note. Before you see all everything I explain, you should write. Before I find support reactions, see, when I take moment about any point, horizontal force into vertical distance required. For 12, no problem, 3. For 16, you require this height. For 8, you require this height. Both are same height. So, you require the height df. So, correctly, before you start finding reactions, you calculate the df. df will come 1.5 meter. Y means I cannot tell. Sorry. Okay. See, first of all, see, this is the midpoint of this member. This is midpoint of this member. Project it. So, this height will be half of this height. Or, see here, 3 similar triangles. 3 divided by 4 equal to height df divided by 2. Further, what I can tell? Okay, height get to 1.5 meter, you have to get it. Now, this height is 3. See, somewhere here, D and E, this level Height is 1.5 meter. 1 minute. Check the camera. Whether it is out of the camera by chance? No. No, it's within the camera. Okay, okay. Otherwise, what will happen is full gone. Okay, now, height entered. Now, take moment about A. First of all, I should stop writing all these. After some time, I will stop writing this one. I will tell you, enjoy it. Okay. Take moment about A. See here. Clockwise positive. See, there is 110 here, one more 10 here. There is 116 here, then one more 16 here. 120 here, and one more 20 is there. No. I have given some loads, same load. You should know which load I am considering. So, I show my finger now, see. Moment about A. Minus VB into 8. Suppose somebody will ask, sir, why minus VB into 8? My reply will be immediately, that's all. That's all. Go to a better person. Okay. Who will again tell you, each and every class he will tell. See, when you take moment about B, VB is a vertical force, perpendicular is 8 meter. So VB into 8 about A, it will create anti-clockwise moment. We are taking clockwise positive. People, they will upload only some 3-4 classes. There is a limitation for class, not such a series of lectures where complete subject covered. I can't tell. See, I told you should study everything. So, see, finger is at A. So, when the finger is at A, every distance should be from A. Anti-clockwise. Minus VB into 8. Then plus 12 into 2. Plus 8 into 4. Plus 10 into 6. Come here. Plus 16 into 1.5. Plus this 10 into 2. Plus 16 into 4 minus 12 into 3 plus 20 into 6 minus 8 into 1.5 equal to 0, you get the value of VB. Okay. Sigma V0 upward positive, I should not explain. Energy waste, you get the value of VA, substituting for VB. Sigma H0, once again energy waste. HA 16, 12, 8. HA will come plus 4. Okay, this time, okay, all reactions over. Now, make a note if you want. What direction reactions are considered? Everywhere we got positive sign. So, when you go to method of sections, if at all we are considering any reaction, you consider that reaction in the same direction as considered here. Without sign, value whatever you got. By chance, if any reaction comes negative here, then when you go to method of sections, in the method of joint star sketch, here there is no star sketch, method of sections, if you are considering that reaction, you mark that reaction without sign in a direction opposite to the direction assumed here. That make note. Okay, now everything is over. Next, see, make a note here. We want to see force in, see now, force in DC, then DG, and then FG. One set. Next set is this one, and this one. So, when you write a note here, for solving first question, we want axial force in DC, DG and FG. For that you require among these three, FG is horizontal member, DC and DG are inclined members. So before you start method of section, you find angle of inclination of this inclined member and this inclined member with the horizontal. See, for this member, extend further here, see. You can mark the angle wherever you want. See, somewhere here, mark theta 1. For this member, theta 2. If you observe correctly, tan theta 1 equal to 1.5 by 2. Tan theta 2 also 1.5 by 2. Actually, that also not required. So, your theta 1 will come equal to theta 2. I written the answer there. I actually told on the board, not written because high school level mathematics. Okay. get the answer, angle. So later, when I consider this DC member with the horizontal, I will mark angle of 36.87. Even for this member also, I will mark 36.87 degrees. Okay. And this inclined member, this member, angles are not required in method of sections. Why? But actually, even if you require, this angle will be same as this angle, this is same as this one, but you don't require. You concentrate on, in method of sections, before you start, see which inclined members are there, decide angle. Okay, now this question is ready for method of sections. Now what I will do is, only for today's class or some class. See, when you consider a section, I told, consider equilibrium to any one side. Today I have decided one question for a very firm control. We will go for both the options. We will see what happens if you consider equilibrium to left side and what happens if you consider equilibrium to right side. 100% answer will come same. Sometime I will trap. See, if you look left side, if the answer comes plus, if you look right side, instead of plus, what will come? All will tell minus. You will tell, what is this? Then someone will tell, no sir, you told you can consider any side. When you told you can consider any side, then irrespective of whichever side you consider, answer has to come same. Otherwise, those who consider this side, if the force is tension for them, those who consider that side, force is compression. So that member, poor member, if you come, those who consider left side, the member should immediately start this way. Okay, this way. Then it will look, oh, you came. You are looking right side, no. Then I am this way, this way. Possible. Whether you force in the axial force in member is unique, irrespective of whichever side you consider, same. That will make out later. Okay, now, full ready. I am removing everything from here except this diagram. This also I will remove. Now, systematically, I will solve. Remember, once again, very, very important question, because here, when you take moment about any point, one side you require perpendicular height, other side easy. That's why I want it. For a understanding the method of sections, you can write, and to get 100% grip on method of sections. Okay. Now I remove everything and start here. That's why I wrote the question here, because this I can't remove. This full space I want. Okay, I start now. Now our actual class will start. See, there are two questions are there. I write first question. Okay. First question. First question is, I already told you, see the question already, calculation of axial forces in members DC, DG and FG. See, take a red color pen if you want. Put this sketch already there. Light dot here. These three members we want. See, these three members we want. Okay. Method of sections. Okay. Consider section XX cutting above three members. This time I am going for both the option. So I will cut somewhere in between. See, show a section XX. See, this way. Cut. XX. Okay. Cutting section. Consider section XX cutting above three members. Okay, now, class. I am going to dictate, see, you write up to here. I am going to dictate something. It is your choice. You have to consider equilibrium to only one side. Either you can consider equilibrium to left side of XX or right side of XX. If you consider equilibrium to left of XX, from that side, these three forces coming to the joint, this joint should be written. Or if you consider equivalent right side, these three members from this side, axial forces that effect on the joint should be marked. Okay, that's all I told earlier. Or simple language, see, you are cutting here. Which side is better? I think some will tell, sir, left is better. So, option 1 is consider equilibrium of frame to left of. This is better because sketch is smaller. See? Sketch is smaller, right? Better. This is option 2 is to understand. To understand thoroughly. Understand thoroughly method of section. Thoroughly method of sections. Okay, do one thing. But if you are solving an examination, only one solution. Okay, start. I look left side. See here. Cut here. Now, lecture number 26, 27, 28, etc., 29. I don't remember now. If you don't study properly, suppose suddenly you come to this class, I will tell, leave. I don't want such people. Okay. See here. A, F, D are intact. A, F, D intact. I wrote everything there, whatever is there. Height 1.5 is there, base is 2. Then, okay, then from D, member goes cut. So, along this member, from that side, a pull will come, or this way. I told you, unknown forces assume going away from the joint means tension for axial force effect. Okay, see, this way. This is C. This is all already known for you. Okay, C, see, this force, and this force. PDC, PDG, PFG. PDC, if I continue, angle is 36.87. For PDG also, see, even for this also, angle theta to 36.87. Okay. Now, first decide, apply the three equilibrium conditions in order. Always first apply sigma m0. Sigma m about which point? Among the three unknowns, see where two unknowns are meeting. Oh yes, D. Yes, therefore, take moment about D. If you take moment about D, moment of these two unknown becomes 0. Even these two also 0. See, even this also 0. See, sigma m about where I wrote it. See, sigma m about D0 clockwise positive. Why D I told in the class. You write it. Okay, now happily start. See, minus PFG into this height. How much? 1.5 meter. Minus PFG into 1.5. Then this into 0 plus about this point plus 39 into 2. See, 4 is there. 4 minus 4 into 1.5. That's all equal to 0. You will get PFG plus 48 kilonewton. Leave it. Sigma V0, take upward positive. See, which one first? PDC. See, plus PDC sine 36.87 minus PDG sine 36.87 minus 10 minus 12 plus 39 equal to 0. Equation number 1. Then sigma h equal to 0. Plus right side positive. Plus PDC cos 36.87 plus PDG cos 36.87, then plus PFG plus 4 plus 16 equal to 0, equation number 2. Some student will tell, sir, there are one more equation required. Why? Sir, 1, 2, 3 unknowns are there. Open your eyes. See, I put a right mark there. Right mark means PFG is already known. Before, what you should do is, you write here, substituting PFG equal to plus 48. This is a known value. So only two unknowns are there. Solve it, get the answer. High school mathematics. This I told earlier. Earlier all I used to write it also. Now there is a limit for everything. If you cannot do that much, see, right mark means underline black, right means it is already known. So how much it is? 48. So 48 plus 16 plus 4. Now solve it, you get the forces. Okay, leave it now. This is the answer. We got result we'll do last. If you consider equilibrium to left of x-axis. Okay, now. Only, see, actually this is the best solution. See here, easily you got the answer because when it is here, left side is better, right? But just to master the method of sections, we will solve again same question. Imagine left side, we decided to go to right side. See, if you are saying right side, left side is not there. Don't do this one. If you are doing this one, do not do that one. Only one of them. Okay. Or option 2, only to understand, consider equilibrium of frame to right of x-axis. See here. Then B, H, G, E, C are intact. I entered everything there. Height 3 meter, height 1.5. Then P, C, D. Now it's from this side you are writing. See, earlier when I from here, I wrote P, D, C. Now what? P, C, D, P, G, D, P, G, F. All are taken outgoing, acting away. Angles are known for you. See, these angles are known. Now, first take your finger and decide moment about which point. Among the three unknowns, see, two unknowns are meeting at the point G. Oh, yes. Therefore, moment about G. Why G? I told in the class. Okay. Now, see, if you take moment about G, this into 0, this into 0. Even, see, 16 also into 0. Okay. But one problem is there now. The moment about G means only PDC will come. But PDC is inclined force. So, how thousands of times I told, vertical force means horizontal distance, horizontal force means vertical distance, inclined force means perpendicular distance. So, therefore, if you take moment about G, what you require is, you require perpendicular distance from G. Why G? Because moment about G to line of action of CD. So, therefore, see, I drop perpendicular here without disturbing. This is obstructing now. See what I am doing. I see what I am doing now. See, a PCD, please come with this side. All are falling down. I will tell PCD, I want to do something there. You please come this side. Okay. I am putting a bigger one. So what? PCD. Now see here. Without seeing anything else, see, from G, you drop perpendicular. See. H. And remember, consider this triangle. See, if this is 36.87, this angle is light line. See, resolution you require this angle only. 53.13 degrees. See, I am announcing it here. Very small. Very small I am writing. 90 minus 36.87. See, for resolution later, 36.87. Why? With horizontal we want. But only for triangle, you require triangle. Now, see here. Or, if confusion is there, see, separate sketch is there. See, C here. B here, see. PCD here. Perpendicular. 36.87. This height is, how much? This height is 3 meter. You can see there. See, 3 meter. This is 3 meter. Therefore, right here, sin 53.13 equal to H divided by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. How much? H divided by 3. See, sin of this angle equal to this opposite side by hypotenuse. H will come 2.4 meter. Therefore, when you take moment about G, one statement you have to write. Before that, once you decide moment about G, you have to write from G, see space is not there, from G drop perpendicular what? H, green color, to line of action of PCD. PCD, okay. Now do one thing, take moment. So moment about G is minus PCD into H. H is already known for you. Okay, then now happy. See, 16 into 0, minus 12 into 3, plus 20 into 2, minus 8 into 1.5, minus 37 into 4, plus 10 into 2, okay, I wrote that one first, then lastly this one, equal to 0, substitute for H, I really calculated, minus 56.667. Now, 1 minute. Anybody who got confusion can do one thing, I will make a note here now. If you can avoid confusion, see, what you do is, when you write moment about G, we want moment of this inclined force. So, inclined force passes through point C. Where it passes, any point, through that point, see, light line, you resolve into component. See, this way and this way. Remember, this is cos, this is sine with respect to 36.87. Then do one thing. When you take moment about this point, H is not required. See, minus PCD cos 36.87. I write here now. Instead of this statement, you write, see, instead of this statement, you write minus PCD, how much? Cos 36.87 into 3, and then sine component into 0. See here, sine vertical component will pass here. That's all. Even then, same answer will come, my guarantee. Okay. Other things are same. Other thing, instead of this way, you write this way. Okay, then sigma V0, now very easier. See, GD first, plus PGD sine of this angle, minus PCD sine of this 36.87, minus 16, minus 8, minus 10, minus 20 plus 37 equal to 0. You already know the value of PCD. See, PCD is already known for you. Substitute that PCD here. Your PGD will come minus 28.333. Lastly, sigma H equal to 0. Unknown is here. Minus PGF, minus PCD cos, PGD cos, minus PCD cos, minus 12, minus 8. That's all? Yes. Where is 10? Minus 12, minus 8. Minus 12, minus 8 equal to 0. You know the value of which one? PGD, and you know the value of PCD. Substitute those two values with the minus sign. Your PGF will come plus 48. See, I want everything in one page. Space problem. See in laptop, or I am dictating. See in a big screen, such questions, at least see in laptop. Even mobile also okay. What you have to do is you have to zoom little. You have to zoom. Okay. All this over. Okay. Now do one thing. What I am telling right now. Now option 1 over, option 2 over. Each option you finally close the question. Here, see. See, note here, this is a final answer. Final result. Final result. See here. Solution 1 or option 1, PFG plus 48. Plus 48. Oh, good. PDG minus 28.33. Yes. PDC minus 56.667. Yes. Therefore, right here, see, irrespective, see, irrespective has got only 2 R's. I know that much English. But I am stressing it now. See, irrespective of, means stressing that point, irrespective of whether we consider left or right of xx, whatever you consider, axial force in DC equal to, any answer you see there, 56.667 kilonewton compression, then DG 28.333 kilonewton compression, and FG 48 kilonewton tension. Okay. Someone should ask, sir, how you know it? Tension compression. I will tell. Silent. I will tell this way. Okay. Bye. I don't want to see you once again. I will tell that way. I do not want you once again to come to my class. If you are subscribed, unsubscribe. I do not want such people. Something told so many times earlier, lazy to go to earlier classes, lazy to go through the entire class, randomly opening, viewing for 1 or 2 minutes, suddenly seeing this question, oh, maybe they will feel, in one examination this question asked, so let me study and then comment, this person not telling properly. He randomly tells something, does not know anything. Useless person. Okay, I am useless for them. For them I am useless. But I am useful for many people, I know it. Those who are sincere and hardworking, I am 100% sure I am useful. Okay. Now, first question over. Which one? These 3 over. Now, last part is this one, and this one. I'll now again write and explain to save the time. Now, second question, calculation of forces in members. See, they want which one? EB, see here, EB, this member, EH, this member, and GH or HG. So, cut like this. See, this way cut. Right. Consider section XX, cutting above 3 members. Now, class. Observe correctly. Oh. Sorry, you see, actually you should write one more sketch. If you are thoroughly want to understand, you should draw the sketch once again and show only this cut. Should not see the previous cut. That's how you study properly. It should not disturb you. That's already over. See, this is already over. Okay, now see, right here. Oh, if I look right side, such a small and easy, see here, easy arrangement. Whereas if I look left side, oof, what is this? No. I will not look left side. I will look right side and solve the question. So right. But right there. He means me. He want to give you perfection. Give me perfection. Okay, as a challenge, look left side. So consider equilibrium of frame to left of XX. Only for understanding, see, no, right here. No. Not good for examination point of view, right here. No. We will not do it. Exam point of view or any practical point also, who will struggle all this when such a easy arrangement is there? Okay. But so if anybody does not want all these, do one thing, forward the video till you finish this one, till I restart once again. That is, I will write, consider right of XX, I will tell ideal, see, I will tell best option. Okay, now start, see, A will come intact, F will come intact, D intact, C intact, G intact, then cut. Force for EB, force for EH, see here, EH and force for GH, all outwards. This height is, full height is 3, half height is 1.5. So if you want, remaining height also is 1.5. 2. This is also a 2. I don't want right here because cut. 2. Everything over. Okay. Take moment about which point? Oh, among the three unknowns, two unknowns are meeting at E. So moment about E. Why E? Why moment about E? Told in the class. Now I will stop this one. Okay, start. See now correctly. If you take moment about E, PEB into 0, PEH into 0, 8 into 0, 20 into 0. See, I'll do one thing now. 0, 0, 0, 0, even, see here, that 16 also into 0. See here, actually slightly sketch is not correct. It should say it's both are same level. Slightly tilted. Anyway, you know it here. See, D and E are same level. So it is a straight horizontal line. Okay, even that 16 also into 0. So then you get minus PGH into this height, that is 1.5. Then start from here. Where I start now? Okay, start from here. Minus 12 into this height, total 3, this is 1.5, this also 1.5, 3 minus 1.5. Minus 16 into 2, see, minus 10 into, why 12? Minus one more is there. Minus 12 into 1.5 over, okay. Minus 10 into 4, 2 plus 2, 4. 16 into 0. Then see, then 4 into 1.5. See, this 4 into 1.5 anti-clockwise, minus. But 39 into 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 clockwise, plus, minus 112 into 2 plus 2, 4, minus 8 into 2 equal to 0. PGH will come 49.333 kilonewton plus. Okay. Sigma V0, take upward positive. Unknown first. Minus PEH, minus PEB sin 36.87, minus 20, minus 16, minus 10, plus 39. Where is it? Plus 39, minus 12, minus 8 equal to 0. Both are unknowns. Let it be equation number 1. Sigma H equal to 0. See, law unknown first. Which one unknown? Both are unknowns now. Plus PEB, where is it? Plus PEB. Any answer is? No. When you do, sorry. Now, when you come, equation number 1, okay. Plus PEB, cos 36.87, plus PGH, minus 8, minus 12, plus 16, plus 4 equal to 0. But you already know the value of PGH. Substitute for this PGH, you get the value of PEB. PEB will come. Once you get PEB, substitute in equation number 1, where PEB is also known, PEB is known, you get the value of PEH. Over. Then write the result. See. Therefore, axial force in EB or BE, anything. Where is it? BE or EB? 61.667 compression. Axial force in EH, 10 kilonewton tension. Axial force in GH, 49.333 kilonewton tension is the answer. Okay. Now do one thing. I'll do now only. Where is the rubbing? Here. See. Now, see. Make a note here. Option 1, we did only for understanding purpose. See, this understanding is very, very important. This is how you develop the knowledge, not simply going for easy solutions. People who learn from me, they will always gain maximum knowledge if they follow everything I tell. Unlimited knowledge. Some very sensitive knowledge I will upload in YouTube. If so many people will be in for surprise, then they will tell this way. Yes. Okay. Now, option 2. Big guy will write now. See, option 2. Space problem is not there. Option 2. Consider equilibrium of the frame to right of xx. Right of xx. Right here. Best solution. Best because very, very easy. And ideal solution. Ideal. Okay, start. What is there here? See, only B joint intact, where roller support is there. Vertical reaction VB equal to, how much it is? 37 kilonewton. Then one member goes B, it will come up to H. It will come up to H. Then continue little more. Okay. H, there is a load here. How much? 10 kilonewton. Okay, this is H. Then one member goes inclined here, this way, see. No, we are cutting here. So therefore, see, cut here, see. Cut. Then this also, one more is here. This one. So your cut is, see, this cut. Okay. This is force in, which one? Force in BE. Force in BE. This is your force in HE. HE means EH only. HE. This is your force outward, out section, force in HG. HG. Okay, that's all. This distance is 2 meters, and this angle, if you want, 36.87 degrees. Okay. Now, see where three unknowns are meeting. Oh, this is the point where PHE and PGH are meeting. So, sigma m about H equal to 0, take clockwise positive. But now do one thing. One small problem is there. Not a big issue. When you take moment about here, see, moment of HE is 0, moment of GH 0. Moment of this force will come. It does not look like a straight line. Okay, now okay. Okay, little, what is this? Okay. Okay, but for the inclined force here, so what you require is from H, you drop a perpendicular to it. See, perpendicular. This is called small h. This is, now, this angle is, how much this angle? Already written, 36.87. No problem. See, this is 36.87 degrees. Space is not there. Okay, now, you write here. Drop, before you take moment, you write here. Once you decide moment about H, sigma s 0, somewhere write, drop perpendicular H from which one? From the point H, this is capital H, to line of action of which one? PBE, line of action of PBE. Use trigonometry here, see. Sine of this angle, sine of, I write here, sine of 36.87 equal to H, that unknown H, height H, divided by 2. Divided by 2. Therefore, your H will come, how much H will come? Two into sine 36.87. 1.2 meter. H will come 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. Okay, now one thing. Now consider sigma h equal to 0. Start. Moment about H point. See. PBE into H anti-clockwise minus PBE into H but H is known for you, how much? 1.2, then minus 37 into 2 equal to 0, therefore you get the value of PBE. You get the value of PBE. Into 2 divided by 1.2 is 61.667 minus see, last time how much you struggled? Minus 61.66666 like that kilonewton. Okay. Do one thing. Or suppose anybody finding difficulty for this perpendicular right here, or other option is, see, this PBE, it is passing to the point B. At the point B, this force you resolve into a vertical component and horizontal component. Vertically sine, horizontally cos. In that case, when you take moment about H, it will become what? See, this vertical component, see, this component is what? PBE sine 36.87 minus PBE into sine 36.87, that is a vertical component into 2, that's all. See, PBE into horizontal component will pass here. If you resolve here, you can resolve wherever you want. Okay, then minus 37 into 2 equal to 0, 100%. Therefore, this also will give you PBE equal to same answer, minus 61.667. Oh, same. Okay, right, same. Now, lastly, sigma V0 take upward positive. Plus PBE, unknown first, plus PHE, plus PHE, plus PBE sine 36.87, then minus 10 plus 37 equal to 0. You already know the value of PBE. PBE is already known. Substitute that value. Therefore, you get the value of PHE. PHE has to come 10 kilonewton. Why? 4 force rule. Okay. PBE 61.6667 into 0.6 minus 10 minus 37 is plus 10 kilonewton. Actually, 10 point not came. Okay. Lastly, sigma H0 take right side positive. Unknown first. Minus PHG, see here, red color unknown, I always use red color. Minus PHG, see, minus PHG, minus PBE cos 36.87, then anything else? Nothing else, equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of what? You get the value of PHG. Because PBE is already known. See, PBE is already known. Minus 61.667 into minus 1 into 0.8. Calculate is not on. 61.667 into 0.8 minus plus 49.333 plus 49.333 kilonewton. Right. Therefore, axial force in, come here. Axial force in EB or BE, 61.667 compression, EH or HE, whatever you call, 10 kN tension, HG 49.333. Yes. Okay, over. See, right side, how easily you got. Now, if somebody is asking me, find forces in these three members, what I will tell is, what is there? Force here, compression of 61.667. How, sir? You don't bother. Force here, tension of 49.333. Force here, 10, over. Somebody, how you got it? How I got, you never bother. Because I got a better idea about all this one. Little better knowledge. Okay. That is what I have done. Actually, it's very simple. So I will not solve a method of section. I will tell direct answer only. Okay. That is for me, and You do your work, I will do my work. But when I do my work here, I do as per your requirement. I don't write, I know that. I never told that way. Okay, now everything is over. This question title will be most probably what? Want to understand method of section thoroughly? Go through this question. Something like that I will tell. Okay, thank you. Next class we'll meet.